It feels amazing. When I read through the bios of the other winners, I was kind of amazed that we were included with those, because there's some guys doing some really amazing things, some real world-changing, innovative things. So I was just honoured to be awarded alongside them, really.
Our project was to find a way of touring more sustainably, and so we walked the whole of the Wales coast path, which is 870 miles, doing public gigs sort of every night along the way. So I think we clocked up about 53, 54 gigs in 2 months. I think probably one of our best stories was around day 10, we were somewhere in the midst of Anglesey. I came down one morning and couldn't find Freddie or my duo partner Seth. And I always was the last one to get ready, so that wasn't that unusual. But we'd arrived to that house in darkness the night before, and I kind of went down and I saw this little garden path. And I was like, okay, maybe everyone's gone down there. And I went down, and Freddie and Seth came whizzing past with our host on a miniature railway. And this guy just had, 4 kilometres?
Yeah, like a several kilometre long miniature railway in his garden. So we were staying with sort of random people around the coast as we went. Before we left, he said, "Oh, before you go, you must have a ride on our miniature railway." We were whizzing around his garden on a tiny little train, which is really, really amazing. But
and then we got off and walked some more.
It's great. I've been back to Cardiff a few times since I graduated, and it's always I've really enjoyed living here and studying here. So it's always great. A bit of nostalgia coming back here and seeing the places and people that I used to visit. So it's really great.
I think my favourite probably was we ran a contemporary music festival, which was just an amazing chance to experiment and to put on loads of different concerts. And the staff and the other students were so supportive of it. I think that's my favourite.
For me it was playing in. Me and Chris both used to play in the Indonesian gamelan ensemble. That was at St David's Hall. That was a real highlight to be part of that ensemble. That was really great.